Ready to transform your Fiverr account into a client-attracting powerhouse? In this video, I'll walk you through setting up a complete, professional Fiverr profile that stands out and wins trust. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your Fiverr profile is your digital storefront. It's where clients decide if you're the right freelancer for their project. A polished profile builds credibility and dramatically increases your chances of getting hired. Let's build yours step by step. First, access your profile by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Profile from the drop-down menu. This is your central hub for all profile customization. Focus on these three crucial sections: your profile description, skills, and professional background. Your profile description is where you sell your expertise. Write in first person, highlight your unique value, and include relevant keywords clients might search for. Next, carefully select your skills and languages. Choose skills that accurately represent your services and expertise. Be honest about your proficiency levels, and add all relevant languages you speak, noting your fluency level for each. Don't overlook the professional background sections. Fill out your education and work history completely. Even if you're new to freelancing, include relevant degrees, certifications, or previous employment that demonstrates your reliability and expertise. A crucial pro tip: use all available space to showcase your expertise. A complete profile with a detailed description, professional background, and diverse skills appears more trustworthy to potential clients. Proofread everything carefully. Typos can undermine your professionalism. And just like that, you've built a foundation for a profile that attracts quality clients. A complete profile shows you're serious about your freelance business. If this guide helped you create a stronger professional presence, please give it a like. What's the most challenging part of writing your profile description? Share your experience in the comments below. To add the perfect finishing touch, subscribe for our next video on how to add a profile picture on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.